All right, let's cut across right now to the International Bharti Festival, where the Prime Minister is speaking right now.
Youth who are giving something new to humanity. Such a can-do spirit will bring wonder for our nation and our planet. Friends, Bhartiyar believe in a healthy mix between the ancient and the modern. He saw wisdom in saying, connected with our roots as well as looking towards the future. He considered Tamil language and motherland India as his two eyes. He sang songs of the greatness of ancient India, the greatness of Vedas and Upanishads, our culture, tradition, and our glorious past. But at the same time, he also warned us that simply living in the past glory is not enough. We need to develop a scientific temper, a spirit of inquiry and much towards progress. Friends, Mahakavi Bhartiyar's definition of progress had a central role for women. One of the most important visions was that of independent and empowered women. Mahakavi Bhartiyar wrote that women should walk with their head held high while looking people in the eye. We are inspired by this vision and we are working to ensure women-led empowerment. It would make you happy that in every sphere of our government's working, there has been importance given to dignity of women. Today, over 15 crore women entrepreneurs are funded by schemes like Mudra Yojana. They are walking with their head held high, looking us in the eye and telling us how they are becoming self-reliant. Today, women are becoming part of our armed forces with permanent commissioning. They are walking with their head held high and looking us in the eye and filling us with confidence that the country is in safe hands. Today, the poorest of the poor women who used to face problems of lack of safe sanitation are benefited by over 10 crore safe and hygienic toilets. They do not have to face problems anymore. They can walk with their head held high and look everyone in the eye, as Mahakavi Bhartiyar has imagined. This is the era of New India's Nari Shakti. They are breaking barriers and making an impact. This is New India's tribute to Subramaniam Bharati. Friends, Mahakavi Bhartiyar understood that any society which is divided will not be able to succeed. At the same time, he wrote about the emptiness of political freedom, which does not address the social inequities and does not address social ills.